everyone to Pompano Beach, Florida, on a beautiful sunny day here in January. Nice to have you guys with me. I'm getting all comfortable. By the way, stick around till the end of the video, guys. I want to update you all on the RV TV show that's coming at the end. Much more interesting stuff first, though. And don't worry, this is not a campground review. I just said that I would update people along the way. A very quick little introduction to Highland Woods RV Resort, part of the Thousand Trails membership here in Pompano Beach. Comical, really. I was very confused when I rolled in, thought maybe I was in a different country, because the hookups are all on the passenger side of every single site through here. So you back up and I'll show you. Your power, your water, your sewer line, everything is on the wrong side for every RV that's ever manufactured. As we all know about RVs, your water, your power, and your sewer is on the driver's side of the RV in America. So you better have very long cords and go underneath your RV for every site here. My neighbor there, my neighbor over here. I thought I was going a little bit crazy looking around the RV, like, why is this backwards? Looking across the street at every single RV over here has to have everything backwards. And then my neighbor over here comes out laughing and says, oh, this is your first time to the worst built RV park in America, huh? I'm like, what? I didn't know this was a thing. Like, it's like an ongoing joke about Highland Woods. They built the entire RV park backwards for hookups, and they're okay with that. Like I said, you won't do very well if you don't have extension for everything, you know what I mean? But whatever, I made it work. Everything's plugged in. I'm good. Most people are good. My neighbor over here doesn't have a sewer hose that'll reach right now, but he's working on getting one. And yeah, this is the park. Like I said, I want to go explore. Let's go see what they have over here real quick. Let's see, I'm here for 3 days, and FedEx delivers right to your lot number here through Amazon, so I ordered a couple packages and things I needed coming tomorrow and the next day. All right, let's see, I'm right next to the card room and the fitness center. Let's check it out. Key code. Not incredibly popular today, but nice that they have this. And is that foosball? Is that what you call that? Yeah, foosball. Here's laundry. Let's see, we got quarters. No, not quarters, and not Matt Gray. So you have to buy another $5 card, just $5, and then you have to load the card too. This is through VTM. This is how they're gonna get us, I'm telling you guys. Oh my gosh. All right, let's go check out the pool. Well, first of all, they have this covered area here with billiard tables. And I did bring my swimming trunks. Dipping in the pool for about 10 minutes feels like it lowers my whole body temperature a little bit, and I feel better. Oh, yeah. Yep, that's all I needed was 5 minutes in the water. Body temperature has already gone down. Feel good. You're just really enjoying that air conditioning, aren't you, buddies? I think you are, man. My neighbor is, well, it looks like he's really enjoying himself out there. I mean, you gotta stay fit. Is that square dancing or? But that's what you do in Fort Lauderdale, Florida in January. Yeah, it's a good way to stay fit. Cool. I'm actually starting to get cold. It's only 80 degrees today. Gonna take the bike out and go to the beach at least. I like to go to thrift stores. There's a few, there's Salvation Army and a Goodwill. I love browsing through the thrift stores, so I'll go on a little ride. I got three days here, so I'll be able to share lots of this area with you. So for reference right now, I'm kind of between Fort Lauderdale and Pompano Beach. And the sand is getting a little whiter as we head closer to Miami. Only about 100 miles from Miami right now. And although it's really windy, a lot of people out there enjoying the sunshine here in Florida here in January. It's crazy. Didn't find anything at the thrift store, not even a t-shirt that I liked, but that's okay. I kind of restricted to the backpack I'm wearing as far as toting around stuff, so. All right, good to know the beach is here. I'm still looking for a little bodyboard, surfboard of some kind for the weekend here. I hope you're all doing well, but I do want to go in and check in on Jax and get dinner started for the evening back at base camp there. Got done playing in the weight room, came over to the pool, and now it's totally empty. Got it all to myself. I don't always swim with my shirt on, but my hat, yeah, It's just a part of me. That's right. This is nice. Just one more thing would make it complete. That's how we do that. With the palm trees over there. Oh man, not much better than this, guys. I do not envy all of you out in the desert right now. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Maybe I'll see you next winter. No gators out here. I checked. There's no gators. Nope. This is a safe spot. Nope. We're not near fresh water. Just a pool. You want to go in the pool later? No, you wouldn't like it. So Jackson and I will just kind of hang here for the sunset tonight. And then tomorrow, I'll take the bike around the Pompano Beach, Fort Lauderdale area, and we'll go look for some fun stuff, you and me, while the RV is safe at an RV park. And the other thing about the RV park, you know, I'm just teasing and joking and making light of the fact that everything's on the opposite side here. It's all relative to what's important to you. I mean, I made it work. It looks like a lot of people were able to make it work. It's not really that big a deal. It's just funny to me. I mean, it would be a missed opportunity if I didn't share that with you. I'm interested to have any of my other YouTube viewers watching this. Have you ever come across a random site that everything was on the wrong side and you had to make some changes, modifications? Yeah, it happens. No biggie. I wouldn't call this the worst RV park in the country, though. I'm glad it's included with my membership. It doesn't cost anything out of pocket. But yeah, we'll watch the sunset here at the park, and I will catch up with you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. I am not going to overdo it today. It is going to hit 90 degrees here in southern Florida today. 9-0 in January. So I'll take it easy, come back to the pool, air conditioning the RV. I will get burnt out here if I spend too much time out, but do want to go explore a little bit. By the way, big thank you to my buddies TJ and Sean back in Illinois for helping me finally get plates and get this sucker registered. Even though the temp was good for 3 months, there's still some, I'm always worried about it a little bit, you know, waiting for that to happen. So we're all official now. Last step is to get it registered and swapped over to South Dakota here. But good to go on that. Thanks, guys, for the help. So yeah, let's go for a ride, guys. Ah, that sunshine and warmth. It's feeling good. Here we are in Hillsboro Beach, Florida, about 1 block from the ocean, actually, and we have a little monument to the barefoot mailman. I guess this is actually a thing, being a mailman back in the days, barefoot, like completely barefoot. And I would imagine a few of them put their lives at stake to deliver mail. Got chewed up by gators around here. Poor guy. But hey, thanks for making sure my mail gets delivered. Let's go find the water. It's not as easy as it looks. We can see the water out there, but all these private places shut down all of your access. That's crazy. I just want to see the water. I don't see any no trespassing signs. It's pretty. Wow. Freaking palm tree jungle. I guess I'm walking through an apartment complex side road here. Cool. But it looks like we made it, guys. I feel like I'm on a private little beach access because nobody's out here. That's nice. There's the ocean. Water's looking pretty clear. But I don't want to be all covered in salt, so I'm not going to be going in the ocean. I might go in the pool later. Let's keep moving. That's funny. Off camera on the way out, I did get asked by somebody, do you live here? No, I'm just looking. I was going to be a prospective possible tenant here later. Anything's possible. Oh, cool. They're raising the bridge right now to let a boat come underneath. There it goes. That was actually pretty quick. I'm surprised. The water is a bit clearer here. I don't see any manatees right now. Don't know if you can see them, but there are some marlins down there. Those black, smaller ones swimming around. Oh, it's just a yacht. But he would not have cleared that, so that makes sense. Okay, cool. Oh, they got a couple more coming too. That's another big one right there.
That's what she said.
I believe you call these birds pelicans. Looking for some free snacks in there. Hey guys. Good luck hunting today. Hope you find something good. A bunch of them, wow. All right, well, after lunch, I actually logged into my AMC A-List account, and I got another ticket for a movie today. Since it's so warm, yeah, going to the air conditioning of AMC of Pompano Beach. They have reserved seating, not dine-in, but it's real 3D, and I'm gonna go see Aquaman in real D 3D today. And then I'll be getting back to Jack's. So, there's the big tour boat guy. So, I said I was going to mention some of the TV show, The RVers, which I have not talked about since I announced it, I don't think. I said I was going to be giving updates throughout the year. They're still on for 2019 air date of season 1, and I'm excited. However, some rumors and other speculations have been going around, so I just want to clear those all up, and I don't usually like to, you know, address all of the stuff that's not true, but let's be clear, I fully support the show, but some of you have noticed that my name has been taken off as host. And yes, that is true. I have decided to step down as host, whatever that really means, although I am still a contributor to the show. So I will still be providing video and anything else I can do behind the scenes. I'm happy to be a part of the project. I'm really excited about the show still. I do think there's going to be another announcement made on their Facebook page and the RVersTV.com page. I will put those links in the video description below. I want you guys to get all hyped up about it because it's going to be fun. It's not reality TV. It's content driven and not character driven. Does that make sense? So this YouTube channel that I run right now is character driven. It's Jax and I going around the world, country so far, and exploring stuff and sharing it with you, where the TV show is going to be more about the content. And so just want to let you all know, still part of the show. I have not been booted off or kicked off or anything like that. Just taking a step down to put a little more focus into my YouTube channel and still be a part of the show. So anyways, all right, go see my movie, go see Jax, and I will get back with you in about 3 days, guys. All right, bye-bye.